Welcome to Crystal DIY. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make a soda soap, a popularly known soda soap in Nigeria. You only need few ingredients to make this soap, which is oil and caustic soda. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. You see how foamy this soap is? You can actually start this soda soap production with few things. Let's dive into work. So here you see my caustic soda, my water that I'm going to use to dissolve the caustic soda, and the oil. The mixture of oil is PKO and bleach palm oil. You can use only bleach palm oil to make this soap. You can use only bleach. You can use only PKO to make it. But I use PKO and bleach palm oil. This soap, I didn't add perfume. I didn't add color. I didn't add anything. Just caustic soda and the oil and normal container we used to make the soap. So this is easy way to make this soap. You don't need to buy so many things. You can start this as a side hustle. This is me dissolving this caustic soda with water and keep it aside. I will dissolve it and keep it aside for it to cool down. So make sure you use your protective measures, your glove, to make your soap. So this is my mixing bowl that I'm going to use. This is my mixing bowl. So now this is my oil and the mixing bowl that I'm going to use for it. So I use 50-50 oil, PKO, and palm oil, 50-50. This is 1 liter of oil. I use a half liter of bleach palm oil and half liter of PKO. I have a video where I bleach my palm oil, so you can watch that and learn how to bleach your palm oil, your red oil. So after adding the water, the oil, then the next thing I'm going to add is my caustic soda. So the caustic soda has cooled down. I will add it and stir it. You see that it has a light trace, but we'll keep this soap to cook. So you put it gently, little by little. After putting it, you turn it. You only need a mixing bowl and your spatula to do this, and the cup. Business has started though. It's not this one you have to go and buy so many things to start making the soap. So it's easy way to make soap. So I'll cover it and leave it to the hotness from the caustic soda to cook the soap. This is me coming back after 3 minutes. I think I waited for 3 minutes. Then it has started gelling. So I will turn it. If I turn, I will cover it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm begging. It's a way of encouraging us. And also, when you subscribe, you will get notification whenever I drop a new video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. For more inquiries on how to make soap, any kind of soap, is it multi-purpose soap, is it brown soap, is it cold press soap, hot process soap, I'm available. You can chat me on WhatsApp on the number I drop on the screen. The measurement of this the caustic soda and the oil is on the screen of this video. I think you've seen it now. So please like and subscribe to my channel. For more inquiries, for tutorials on soap making, chat me on WhatsApp. If you want to make profit in this, a massive 100% profit in this soda soap production, chat me up on WhatsApp. I don't ask you to call me, just chat me up. This is me coming back after 3 minutes again. It has gelled. I will stir it and start pouring it. If you want to make, we have a recipe that will give you a massive profit in cold press soap, in soda soap production. So if you want one, just chat me on the WhatsApp number I drop on the screen. So you see how beautiful it is. You see how beautiful it is. So after that, I will now scoop it to this cup. This cup, you can buy it a dozen of these small rubbers. I think is I bought it a dozen of 12. I think I bought it 250. So you can actually buy it and start your production immediately and start business. Soda soap, there is some people that are based on soda soap production. In my city, in the place I live, people do this as a big business. And they make massive profit because you don't use much ingredients to make this soap, and it will foam very well. You're not adding so many things, just 3 ingredients. That is what you need to make this soap. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? I keep stirring it to make sure that everything mixed together. I keep stirring it to make sure that everything mixed together. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what is keeping you? Biko, please, I'm begging, subscribe to my channel, please. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you guys. Please make sure you wear your protective measure. Please wear your protective measures, wear your gloves. You have to leave this soap to cure for like a week before you start using it. You know, it's not a hot process soap that you start using immediately. This is a cold press soap, and it's a wonderful soap. So you have to leave it for 1 week before you start using it. This soap on its own foams very well. You don't need a foaming booster. You don't need to add so many things to this foam. Just oil and caustic soda will give you a perfect bar. So I will pour everything in. I'm still pouring everything. So after that, I have a small mold. I pour the remaining one inside. I have a small mold. I pour the remaining ones inside. So after pouring it, you have to leave it for 24 hours. I think I made this soap around evening, and in the morning I'm unmolding it from the cup. I'm unmolding it from the cup, little cup. You can use and throw away a wine cup to make this one. You can buy this one and use it to make it. Some people even and besides, make sure you oil your cup. Make sure you oil your cup. Make sure you oil it, because if you don't oil your cup, this soap will not come out. It will be very difficult to come out. So you need to oil. Please oil your cups. You see the soap, you see how beautiful, how creamy, like moi moi. It looks like moi moi, very beautiful soap. You see how smooth, strong, smooth. Are you seeing it? And besides, once you get a very a light trace soap, your soap will be smooth. So are you seeing it? You see how beautiful it is? When you start making the soap, you are going to make profit. But if you want to